Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow microphone access for Safari on MacBook. First, there are two types of microphone access for microphone access. First, for the app, for the Safari app itself, and also for websites inside Safari. First, I will show you how to give it for the app Safari itself. So click on this little Apple icon from this corner, select System Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security, and here scroll down looking for microphone. This is it. Click on microphone, and here if you see Safari app in this list, you should uncheck it like this, to have this blue space like for Google Chrome, for example. If you don't see this Safari app here, this means that Safari is already having microphone access. And now let's jump to see how to give microphone access for websites inside Safari. So open the Safari app or browser, then go to Safari. From here, click on Settings. First, you will land on this General tab, jump to Websites, and now you will see, here you will see the current open websites. You can, my bad. Before clicking on anything here, make sure to select microphone first, and in order to allow websites to access the microphone with the settings below. You will see your current open website here. You can select allow to allow the microphone access for this specific website. And when visiting other websites, you can allow them microphone access from here. When you see allow here and allow here, this means that all websites have microphone access inside Safari. And this is how to allow microphone access for Safari on MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.